Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 19 plate Ford Fiesta Titanium. This is the 1 litre turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in chrome blue metallic, and it's covered just 36,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this superb looking high spec Fiesta Titanium, finished in this lovely chrome blue metallic. March 2019 registered, 36,000 miles only. It's had just the 2 owners from new. We actually supplied this car to the second owner last year. It was a 1 owner vehicle before that. The customer's local and wasn't getting a great deal of use out of the car, and decided that potentially now was the time to move it on before it got a little bit older, and he's decided not to drive for the time being. So back in with us, and it's just as nice as when it left, to be quite honest. Really well maintained throughout its life. 3 recorded services. Obviously nice low mileage. We've got these lovely 16-inch silver alloy wheels that complement the chrome blue really nicely. It was fully prepped when we sold the car the first time, of course, and will be prepped again for its new owner. £190 a year to tax. Nice low insurance group. Very sensible fuel consumption as well, with that 6-speed manual gearbox. Goes nicely, so it ticks an awful lot of boxes, as the Fiestas always do. Nice leather centre armrest, leather steering wheel as well. Door cards are all in really good shape. Remote locking, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys, electric front windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights as we make our way inside. Steering wheel's in excellent condition. You've got controls for your trip computer, your Bluetooth, cruise control with a speed limiter. You've got your lane assist, push button start as well. Down below we've got a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, we've got start-stop facility which you can switch off, traction control, and an eco button as well. 6-speed manual gearbox. Down below we've got a 12-volt socket with USB. In the glove box we've got handbooks. You've also got neck space dash cam as well, which comes supplied with the car. So that's a nice touch to have the cameras in with it. 2 keys, like I said before. We'll start the car up. There's your mileage, 36,500.
They perhaps want to be able to.
Down below we've got climate control. We've got Ford's heated front screen as well, which will clear the screen in a very short space of time. And then up above, up onto your display, we'll go back to the home page. You've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, you've got satellite navigation, of course. You can obviously go into those separately. Put the car into reverse. You've got parking sensors at the back, and you've also got a nice reversing camera as well. So it's a really nice place to be. You also get nearly 3/4 of a tank of fuel, I've just noticed as well. So we are spoiling you with this one. Privacy glass towards the rear, and again into the back you've got your carpet mats. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats. And then into the boot space. Split folding rear seats, you've got a parcel shelf at the top, and then a really good size usable boot space. Load cover comes supplied with it. Underneath, of course, carpet's in excellent shape. And then underneath again, the luxury these days of a space saver spare wheel. So there we have it. March 2019 Ford Fiesta Titanium in the chrome blue, 1 litre turbocharged petrol, 36,000 miles with 2 owners, good service history as well. Satellite navigation, reversing camera, power folding door mirrors, all the nice bits. Finance is available from around £230 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT, along with 2 keys, and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really good value, facelift Fiesta, really nice spec and colour. I'm sure this will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.